So hello, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary. So in today's
Rose Helen.
my name is Rosemary along with
Rose Helen.
in today's video we're gonna be trying this new product in our house
Yeah,
today.
and it says red.
Yeah, they say red, but this is beard and hair strengthener. I just got it from the store. It's brand new in our house. So we're gonna be trying it today, okay? You're going to be trying it today. So let's get started. We have the menu right here. If we have
She's
time,
gonna make my hair smooth.
if we have time, we're going to be able to read this menu out for you guys.
I can't wait to try. I'm so excited. Guys, I'm so excited.
So this is my daughter hair. You want to turn around so they can see your hair. So this is how my daughter hair look like. So we're about to try it for you guys to see. Turn around. Okay, stand right there. So I've never used this before, so I'm gonna be like really careful. Oh my god, this is, oh my god. A painful? Okay. Wow, you don't need comb with this. You don't need comb. Wow. So guys, if you have this, you don't need comb. This is electric. Let me show it to my audience. This is electric, okay? So we're gonna be putting it in the wall. You're gonna press the power button to turn it on. So this is the power button. It have 310 degree Fahrenheit, 360 degree Fahrenheit, and 400 degree Fahrenheit. So I'll be trying the 360 and see, okay? Yeah, you gotta be careful. It's kind of hot.
Be careful. Be careful, mommy. To my hair.
Yeah, it's a little bit hot, but it's not too hot. Yeah. Oh my god, this is good. Guys, can you see this? I can't believe this. My baby girl have a very painful hair. It's hot, right?
Make it smooth.
It's making it smooth. It's making your hair very smooth. Did you see that? Yeah, guys, can you see this? Yeah. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, my daughter gonna like this. Guys, can you see the difference? This is really soft and long now, and this is still like, you know. Can you guys see this? Yeah, it's hot, so it's not for kids, okay?
No, you're making like a boy's hair.
I'm not making your hair like boy's hair. I'm combing out your hair. Guys, does it hair look like boy's hair? No, mommy, it's not like boy's hair, okay?
Why are you cutting it?
I'm not cutting it. I'm just combing it. That's the dead one over there. This video. Yeah. So I'm almost done with this. She's kind of afraid. She thinks I'm cutting her hair, but it's actually straightening her hair. This is hair straightener. So you don't need comb. You don't need comb to comb this hair up. Oh my god, I'm gonna like this so much. Oh, this is really, really nice. She's gonna like it too, y'all. She said, why are you cutting it? I'm not cutting your hair, mama. I can't cut your hair. I can never cut the hair. I know how much you need hair. Me too. Praying for your hair to grow. She loves ponytail, so with this stuff, she's gonna be able to get ponytail, okay? Guys, can you see this? So you gotta be gentle when you're using it for kids. Be really gentle. She's just afraid our hair is kinda, yeah, when we finish, we're gonna give you ponytail. She's afraid. She thinks her hair is cutting. It's not cutting. That's just a dead one, okay? Turn around. Turn around me to the back. We're almost there. Baby girl, we're on a video. Don't make this. Don't spoil the video yet. We gotta comb your hair. If we're using comb, you're gonna be harder than the real comb. People, you want us to try it on your hair? Is that gonna straighten your hair out?
Yeah, but after her. After her.
Okay. Oh my God, this is so nice. Guys, I can't believe.
What about the edges?
We're gonna do your edges. Don't you want edges?
Yes.
Do you want edges?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, guys, so we're just using it to comb the darling girl hair out. Take it back. Guys, did you see that? It's for hair and beard. Hair and beard strengthener. That's it. So we don't need comb anymore. No more comb. We don't use comb to plait the hair. But to comb hair, we're always going to use this. But she got a painful hair. Right, darling? So guys, this is it right here. Let us know in the comment section what you think of this. We're going to do the rest of it behind the scene. Yeah, she's a baby. She don't want to stay long on this right here. Do you like it? Now you're going to get a very nice ponytail. Look at it, guys. So this is electric, okay? Yeah. I always got my hand at the bottom, okay? I got my hand right here. So don't be afraid, okay? Yeah.
Guys, she's combing my hair.
Yeah, if you know my baby girl behind the scene, when I'm combing her hair up, she be crying a lot. But this one, just gonna leave it like that, okay? I ain't gonna put water on this because it's hot and I don't want the hot water to waste on her. Guys, I'm so glad I was able to pay for this. Like, I saw some online for $10 from Shein. But I don't like to order things online because I don't really have the patience to wait on things. So, yeah. Then I want so the audience can see your hair. This is how nice my baby girl hair is. So long. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, we don't want to make the video long. We're going to do the rest of the video behind the scene, okay? Let me turn the camera off, okay? So we can do it behind the scene. But at least we finish combing your hair up. So let me show you guys something real quick.
You have to put oil on my hair.
When I'm ready, we're going to do that, okay? Did you see the other one? Oh, let me turn the camera off. Guys, I'm sorry, we're going to do the rest of the stuff behind the scene. But thank you so much. After you're done using this, you have to unplug it. Yeah, it's very safe to unplug it. It's unplugged.
It's not. No, it's not.
Okay.